Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 earphones in the grey mint colorway. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So these are the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 earphones in the grey mint colorway, and they're also available in a multitude of other colors. And as you can see, the packaging shares the same colors as the earphones. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you may have seen my unboxing of the Smokin Buds 2 in the spaced out clear black colorway, and that's currently under warranty replacement at the moment. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, pulling apart this seal and flipping open the box flap, and let's slide out the contents from the box, making sure that everything is removed, and then we can go ahead and set the box to the side, and actually maybe just set it in the middle for now, and then I'll slide that box to the side now, and then we can take a close-up look at the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 in the grey mint colorway. So you can see it is neatly packaged in a clear plastic tray. Let's go ahead and pop the earphones out from its tray. So there we go. A nice good look right now in its packaging before my fingers get in the way. So you can see quite clearly the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 in the grey mint colorway. And now let's go ahead and remove the contents from the box or tray. So pulling the earphone cord out from its clear tray very carefully, because you don't want to damage the earphones before you've even used them. Okay, and we can of course put that tray to the side, and then I'll set the earphones neatly on the tabletop right here, so you can see what we've just removed from the packaging. So right there, or maybe just set it down slightly closer so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so that's the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 earphones in the grey mint colorway. Now let's start off by removing the earphones from this clear packet. So there is a clear packet here. Let's go ahead and remove the contents from it. Okay, so there we go, and it's recyclable. That's good to know. And I'm going to once again set the contents out across the tabletop right there, unobstructed, without my fingers or hands in the way. So you can see right there quite clearly what we've just removed. Okay, so we first start off by taking a look at the user guide. So it comes with two sets of papers. This is the first item, which appears to be a user guide. So these earphones come with an inline remote control. Okay, so just going to show you the papers. So the user guide showing you the instructions on how to operate that inline microphone. So there is a single multi-function button to it, it appears. Okay, so that's the user guide right there. Straightforward. Let's set the user guide to the side. Actually, fold it back up so that we can have it all displayed neatly on the tabletop. Okay, that was straightforward enough. Now let's move on to the next item, which is this other set of papers, which appears to be the warranty information. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, my first set of Smokin Buds 2 earphones are currently being processed under warranty because one side of the earphones have failed. So they are otherwise very, very durable. It's just that the way I use them might be a bit rough. I tend to wear them going to bed and sometimes end up strangling myself with the cord around my neck. So that tension or force might have loosened the wiring. Okay, but otherwise they are a very excellent set of earphones. Great bang for your buck with excellent audio quality, good range, tone, bass and clarity. And one thing I like about them is the comfort as well. They are very, very comfortable to wear. You can wear them in bed because they have a relatively small and lightweight housing, so it doesn't press against your ears when you're lying on your side on your pillow, so you can pretty much sleep with them, which is what I've been doing, and that's caused some minor strangulations at night because of the cord wrapping around my neck. Okay, but so far I'm still alive, which is good. Alright, now let's take a look at the 3.5mm audio jack right there, or plug. So as you can see, it is gold plated, and I can see that the design has evolved from the spaced out clear black version, which I unboxed about 1.5 years ago, which had an L-shaped connector. This is a straight connector right here with gold plating. So it's nice to see right there, and it does have the Skullcandy logo on it. And the cord is a flat noodle cord, which is quite good, as it minimizes tanglements, and if it does happen, it makes it quite easy to untangle as well. So durability and being able to quickly untangle the cable when it does get tangled up is fairly straightforward. So right there, nice grey mint color, grey being grey and mint being a light pale green, as you can see. Okay, so moving up the earphone cord, nice good length. I'm just going to set it on the tabletop so you have some idea. The length of these earphone cables have never been an issue for me with the spaced out clear black version. So this is the grey mint version. So far, the noticeable changes right now have been the 3.5mm audio jack right there, being a straight plug this time round. Okay, so moving up the cable is the divider right here for the left and right earphones, and I think there might be some slight changes to this. This seems a little bit bigger from memory now, as in this appears to be a little bit bigger than the one that I unboxed before, as in the previous version. Not previous version, but an earlier release. And going up, you can see that this is the inline microphone and remote. So a single multi-function button right there. Just clicking away there so you have some idea as to the response and feel of that button right there. I'm showing you the reverse side. And let's go ahead and peel off that protective film right there to give you a clearer look. So it does have a glossy finish on the underside, it appears, and you can see that microphone hole as well. So it's nice and slim, and with the Skullcandy logo once again. Very thorough with the branding, so you know that it is a Skullcandy product. Okay, finally moving up all the way to the earphones, sliding all the way up the earphone cord and just giving you some orientation as to which direction the inline remote and microphone is. It's should be on the left hand side. Let me find out. As you can see right there, that little L lettering on the left side earphone. Okay, so there we go. Just showing you that detail right there. Okay, just trying to pull my fingers back a bit more so you can have a better view of the product itself. Okay, so now we do have the left hand side earphone on my left hand and the right hand side in my right hand. So always trying to get both to focus in the same kind of line is a little bit tricky, so bear with me as I try and stabilize my shaky hands and hopefully get the camcorder to focus at the same time. So there we go. Left being on my left hand and right being on my right fingers. Okay, so I'm going to spin them around, give you an all-round view. And as I've mentioned, these earphones are super comfortable because they're quite light in weight. And you can see the housing. It is quite a small or relatively small housing compared to a lot of other earphone brands that I've unboxed and of course tested. These housings are pretty reasonably small, and because of the off-axis design, as you can see, it does hardly stick out from your ears. And as I've mentioned earlier, I like wearing them to bed because when you sleep on your side or use them with your head on the side of the pillow, it doesn't crush or push or hurt your ears. So that's one big selling point for me anyway, in terms of comfort and usability, is to be able to wear them comfortably and lie on your pillow on the side without being bothered. Okay, so nice, good view. Taking a look at the back. Once again, left is still in my left hand and the right hand side in my right hand. So right there, of course, you can see it does have or has a plastic housing, lightweight plastic housing, off-axis design, and it does come with 2 years of warranty. So this is the grey mint colorway of the Smokin Buds 2, and they're available in tons of other colorways, so plenty of choices right there to suit your style or your needs. So here we go. So left on the left and right on the right hand side, and looking down into the ports, it does have an oval port, even though it does have a round silicone earbuds on them. So left still being on my left hand and right being in my right hand. And taking a look at the back, so nice and clear Skullcandy print behind. And once again, side view. And looking on the underside as well. With the letterings, as you can see, should you need to figure out which side is which, you'll see that L is on the left hand side and R on the right hand side. But if you ever need to figure it out quickly, just simply memorize that or remember that the left hand side is the side with the inline remote and microphone. So there we go. So you can see very clearly the earphones right there. And I'm just going to rest the pair of earphones in my hand. So it gives you some perspective, perhaps, of the size of the earphones and the colors. So as I've mentioned, I've had the spaced out clear black colorway of the Smokin Buds 2 for about a year and a half, and they're excellent earphones. There's nothing bad to say about those earphones at all for their price point and, of course, their comfort and audio quality and even microphone call quality as well, all working superbly well. Okay, so nice, good all-round close-up views of the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 earphones in the grey mint colorway. And you'll see that off-axis design there, helping with comfort when you wear the earphones. So they don't stick out as much, and it does benefit with the pretty reasonably small or medium-sized housing as well. So that's the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 earphones in the grey mint colorway. Thanks for watching and happy listening!